Second reading, House Bill 1338.
A bill for an act to amend the Indiana Code concerning corrections.
The bill is ready for amendment, recommitment, or engrossment. Are there any amendments? Representative Walorski, House motion.
Mr. Speaker, I move that House Bill 1338 be amended to read as follows.
Is there a second? Representative Walorski for explanation.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, members of the House. Let me tell you what this amendment is not before I tell you what it is, and so that we don't get into the issue of is this a huge policy debate. I want to just tell you that this is a repealer of the Children's Social, Emotional, Mental Behavioral Health Plan that many of you may not even know exists. And it actually came through here last year in Senate Bill 529, and this is it. It's about a 60-page document, and my concern, I talked to Representative Brown about my concern. Last year when this came on the floor, we all voted for it. The only person that didn't vote for it was Representative C. Brown.
State your point.
Speaker, this amendment or this motion violates Rule 80.
No.
Come on down.
She was on a roll. I tried to let it go. Mr. Speaker, I have to say
tough to make sometimes, and this is a close one.
The author withdraws the motion. Are there further amendments? Well, good. Chair sees none. The bill is ordered to engrossment. Point of personal privilege, Representative Walorski.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, members of the House. This is fine. I just want to bring to your attention this issue, and I hope. You know, I told Representative Brown and the Speaker, and I appreciate the opportunity here, I just want you to be aware of the fact. And I learned a lot. You may not think I did, but last year, with especially your side, talking about the overstepping, perhaps, of the executive branch and privatizing and who's watching and who's accountable and where's the overseers and we're responsible for these people that we represent. Well, you know, there's been some kind of a trend in this state where we've let this pendulum swing into this rule promulgation committee deal. And the rule promulgation committees in this state are making so many laws, and we're ultimately responsible for representing 60-some thousand people. But I just want to make you aware of the fact that what we passed last year in this Senate Bill 529, and I'll be back to talk about it again, I'm sure, has phenomenal implications statewide. It not only grows government at an alarming rate, but it targets minorities, which was my concern because my husband's a public school teacher. And there's a central data bank collecting information that's all a part of this plan. And I just want you to know, as an elected official of the people you represent, I didn't realize the effects of something like unprecedented mental health testing. Except at Penn-Harris-Madison School Corporation in my district, we had a parent whose daughter took a mental health screening apparatus, a tool, without the parent's permission. It was an implied consent. It's been in litigation, and obviously they're settling right now, and the parent's going to win. But I'm telling you, folks, this is a huge deal. Representative C. Brown's the only one that voted against it. We all voted for it. But I think we better look as far as policy issues on something that is as big as this, that we're letting rule promulgation committees establish law, and many times we have no idea what the effects are to our constituents. So I thank you very much, and thank you, Mr. Speaker.